Hey guys, so we stopped at the Moxie Bald shelter because I did not want to do Moxie Bald yet. We're going to do it tomorrow morning, and oh my god, all of a sudden, right where we were going to go camp are a bunch of canoes. Random canoes. They came with life jackets. They were not chained up or anything, so we're in a canoe. We're chilling out. This is what we're doing this afternoon. So yeah, break from hiking, we get to canoe. We went out to an island, and we're just gonna enjoy this time on the water in the sun. Oh my gosh, get my pasty arms a little bit of sun because they get all covered up in the green tunnel in the woods. And yeah, that's what we're doing today. Woo!